Hello everybody, welcome to my channel, and today I'm so excited to show you my September beauty box. To watch the August beauty box unboxing, click the video link in the description below. Are you guys ready to see what's inside my September beauty box? Let's go ahead and open it. Ta-da! So this month's theme is Picture Perfect. And this pamphlet here tells you about the products that comes in the box, and then there's a 25% off coupon that you can use on your next purchase of $75. And the coupon code is on the back. If you want to know how to get a free beauty box, I will put a link in the description below. Wow, look at that! It's a makeup bag. It's so pretty. I love the color. I can't wait to see what's inside. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up. By the way, this beauty box includes full-size product, a refill of a product, a swag item, a trial and travel size products, and a new item. For a price of $60, you'll get $200 worth of products. Here we go. So first, I got a saving face. This is an anti-aging foaming facial mask with advanced BTX. And I'm so happy I got this in my beauty box because my saving face is almost gone. This is our best-selling product because it works so incredibly well, and the results are immediate, and with continued use, you will experience brighter, plumper, and noticeably younger looking skin. Saving face feels like champagne bubbles all over your face, and it's super fun to use. Then I got a foundation brush. Okay, so let me take it out from the plastic. And I like that it has a case. It's so cute. And it matches with my makeup bag. And the bristles are so soft. You can also use this to apply moisturizer and makeup primer. This brush will always provide you with a flawless, picture-perfect look. It will be one of the greatest beauty tools you will ever own. Next is a trial size of Love Thy Face Miracle Moisturizer. Here's the picture of the full size. This moisturizer is perfect for dry, irritated, or sensitive complexions, and with soluble beta-glucans, it boosts the skin's natural ability to heal itself. It is also turbocharged with sea whip to calm the skin and rosemary to rebuild the lipids deep down where aging begins. And with continued use, it will keep your skin younger and firmer every day. Next is a travel size photo shoot primer. And this primer will give your skin a warm, vibrant, flawless glow, and it also softens fine lines and wrinkles. And you can apply this before foundation application. The last but not the least is a saving face refill. Guys, you gotta love refills because you're not only getting a 15% discount on refill products, but also with every purchase, a tree is planted in third world countries. And that is through Beauty Society partnership with Eden Representation Projects. So you're not only saving money on the products you love, but also you are helping to keep our planet safe and beautiful. Okay, let me show you what it looks like inside this makeup bag. So it has all of these compartments here. You can put all your brushes here. And you can take this off if you want. It's really nice. I love it. And that's it for my beauty box. If If you want to know how to sign up to get this amazing beauty box, you may click the link in the description below. I used to get mine every 3 months, but last month I forgot to push the date to November 15. That's why I got this September beauty box. But it's totally fine because I love beauty boxes and I do sell them. And also Christmas is coming, and so I decided to just set my subscription to every month until December. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you get updated every time I post a new video. Bye!